Showing you today a 2021 Case IH 7250 Combine. This is an axial flow Class 7 flagship machine. One owner, local trade. Let me show you a couple things about it. Heavy duty feeder lift package with rock trap, 21 tooth drive line, in-cab hydraulic adjustable feeder faceplate. This does have Michelin rubber, 620, 70, R42 duals, 750, 65, R26 Michelin rear tires. It is a two-wheel drive machine. We do have the 40-foot unload system with in-cab folding and in-cab pivoting spout. 410 bushel grain tank covers. Has in-cab hydraulically closed as well. 372 GPS receiver. It is fully guidance ready and complete. You can see here we have the LED light.